Is your laptop running slower than a snail? This Kingchuxing M2 SSD might be your budget-friendly solution. I tested its speed and reliability, and the results are impressive for the price. Get ready to experience faster boot times and snappier application loading. This affordable SSD is perfect for budget-conscious users looking to breathe new life into their older computers. Click the link in the description to check the latest pricing and grab yours today. Don't let a slow drive ruin your day. Upgrade now.